What's going down, everybody? It's Trey Treasy back with another Creased unboxing. It's been a hot minute, but we got two here that are definitely worthy of another unboxing. This is the pack from MANIERE. I'm not going to talk about everything else that's going on with them. All we're going to do is get into the two new shoes, both Jordan 5s. The first one we're going to get into is the women's pair. The Dawn. Got a Photon Dusk black on the colorway. Again, this is the women's pair, so this pair is a 12.5. And the women's 11 men's. I love this box, fantastic box. MANIERE print all over, embossed or semi. And you got the MANIERE inside. Love that. That's beautiful. Get inside, branded paper. Love to see it. These have already been tried on by the owner. I'm just being lended these. These are around my size here. But look at these. Oh man. Sheesh. Got the 3M on the tongue. Super glowing with the MANIERE sign. Obviously comes with the little piece here for the top. Nike branding on that. Nike branding on the heel. Love that. Got the aged sole, Jordan brand there, aged along the side at the bottom. A little close glimpse of the bubble in there. White, blue, and black on the 23. This again, you got it, the logo in there. That's really cool. Love the blue sticks out great. Obviously the other really cool features, it's on the inner lining. The women's tongue, no padding in there. Love to see it, easy fit. The same knitting that's along the side here is down the tongue, so that's kind of you get the yellowing effect on that as well. Overall, really cool shoe. Everybody thinks it's white, I think. We've been talking about it. It's definitely a Photon Dusk, which is more of a gray colorway. Once you have it in hand, it's pretty obvious. Really cool shoe though overall. I mean, 10 out of 10 colorway. We were talking about this shoe is going to get rocked all year long, no matter what. Everybody wants the other pair, but these right here, these are guaranteed slappers. These are going to be around for a long time. People are going to be happy to have these in their collection down the road. Comes with a couple different pairs of cream and white on the laces, along with the Photon Dusk laces that come in them, matching the colorway. But yeah, really dope, little clear piece. But that is pair number 1. So I'm gonna have to let us know what you think about each of these. Put these off to the side, and let's get into pair number 2. Put these back here. There it is. And pair number 2 here. Alright, you get the same thing. Box, got logo all over it. Ooh, greasy hands. Ooh. Alright. Size 12 on these. These are a men's pair here. This one's going to be black burgundy, crush, and black noir. So, love that. Before we get into it, the paper also, yeah, dude, this is so fire right here. Oh my lord. I've been eyeing these for a hot minute, as have many. But the Dusk. Yeah, that's a crazy ass shoe right there. Look at that. All black on the Nike check on the back side of it. Got the all black suede body. I should have mentioned these are the hard suede as well. It's beautiful for it. It feels so good. It's gonna scuff so easy, but it's so nice. So these are a fire shoe. This colorway also 10 out of 10. They hit both of these smack on the head, but that maroon right there with the aged yellow, I mean, you're really not beating that, to be honest. These are unworn, factory lace still. You got the 3M on the tongue. Same thing goes for these. You get the MANIERE on the inside. This is all black on the inside here, but you get the maroon on the inside of the tongue, so that looks fantastic. Love to see it. Get the aged netting here. Same thing on the tongue as the other ones. Same thing on the laces. These come with black. Then you get the cream and the white. I'll probably go. If I don't stick with the black, I'll probably go with the cream because I think those are pretty fire. But I will not go with the white laces. Aged on the bottom. That is beautiful right there. That looks so good with the all black sole. So love to see it. Pull the other one out. No goodies with these. Straight shoes and these are MANIEREs this time around. No little baggies, trinkets or anything, but this is a good shoe right here. So again, you get MANIERE on this tongue, and then on the bottom you get the Jordan brand sign, where on this one you get the Jordan brand sign with MANIERE on the bottom. So very cool Nike on the back of both of these. That's crazy. Another all black on the 23 right here, blacked out. On the air bubble, you actually get MANIERE's name right here. That's really cool. They just painted that right onto the bubble, so who cares what color the bubble is there. Yeah, and then just to give you all a look of how that suede. Yeah, that suede really hits. So this is a fantastic shoe also. So that's it. That's our two MANIERE come-ups. The Dawn and the Dusk. Shout out to MANIERE for making a cool shoe. Let us know in the comments what you think about these. Which one's your favorite? If you copped either of them. If you hate them. And if you do, gotta let us know why. But thanks for watching, and until next time.